Jakie mówi. Happy with puppies.
Oh, she's a bit happy now, isn't she? Let's cheer up. You're happy now, you're happy puppy.
Pyśka.
Are you tired? Was it a hard day at work? Martin, come here and take a photo of her while I hold her head.
I'm not taking a photo and making a movie.